What's up YouTube? It's your girl Spechel Nicole and I am back with another Microloc video. Today I am gonna color my hair. Yeah, I am. Nothing dramatic. I always used to, when I was a loose natural, and when I was relaxed, I kept my height. I can't talk today. I'm not doing anything dramatic, so don't get your little panties in a bunch, girl. I just want to take my hair darker to a shiny, lustrous shade of black. So when I was loose natural and when I was relaxed, I used to love keeping my hair dyed black because I just wanted to have some sheen. So we'll get a little close up so y'all can see kind of what my hair looks like with the natural shade. It's a really like dusty kind of brown black shade, and I wanted to have a constant sheen, so I'm going to do some color today. I feel like we need some sheen, so I talked to my best friend Royally Slade. You can find her channel here up above. She's also on YouTube. She is a licensed cosmetologist. She is who used to do my hair before she moved away. And she advised that I get the Ion semi-permanent cream hair color, because I told her I was gonna do a box perm. Thought I was gonna do a box color like the Cream of Nature or something like that. And she advised me not to do that and instead get this brand from Sally's Beauty. I got the Blackest Black. That's the shade. So let's open the box and see what we got in here. So it's legit a tube. I got 2 cases. So I have 2 of these, which I don't know, it's a big tube, but it is semi-permanent hair color. So that means that it's not gonna stay black. I'll have to reapply it after so often. Probably about, the box says 10 to 15 shampoos. So yeah. It is intensive shine. It has no peroxide, no ammonia, vegan. I think I read somewhere where it said that it will not lighten hair. Obviously this isn't going to lighten my hair because it is black and it's also semi-permanent. So with that being said, it's probably also a good option to prevent you from damaging your baby locks while you're on this journey, trying a semi-permanent versus going in with the permanent box dyes that some people have been trying. But that's if you want to do something that's not as drastic as going 2 to 3 shades lighter than your natural hair color. There are no, where are the instructions? So I gotta cut the box open. Did it tear open? Oh, it tears open. I was about to say, the instructions are like in here. So directions says use suitable protective gloves. I have these. I mean, these are what I wear to work, so they obviously protecting. Apply a generous amount of color directly from the tube to shampoo, towel, dried hair. Oh, my hair is dry. Oh. Okay, so your girl thought I could just add this to dry hair. I cannot, so I am going to go and shampoo my hair really quick, and then I will be back and we'll do this color thing. So hold tight. So I am back. I did a quick shampoo using the Carol's Delight. On the shampoos, I am going to be sharing my, I guess like my top or my shampoos in order from like favorite to least favorite and why and reason. So if y'all are interested in that video, let me know down in the comments below and I will start working on that for y'all. Little things be so annoying. Like, look at that. Whatever. Alright, instructions say we talk about the gloves. Apply a generous amount of color directly from the tube to shampoo dry hair. So I'm gonna section my hair off and work in sections because that's always been easy for me. So I'm gonna do that now. Good job. see my hang time. She ain't moving though. Well, I don't want to shake it too much. I don't want the water to shake off. But y'all see her. I know y'all do. Y'all see her. I am actually so nervous. I need a small mirror so I can see better. All right. Dang, what did I get myself into? I just squirted this everywhere. It's watery. Failing already, man. So basically keep the top on because this just leaks out.
Many hours later.
I'm back from that catastrophe, y'all. Definitely. I want to make sure I'm saturating each section. I think I got this section saturated, so I'm gonna clip it and do the rest. You can see now, you can see the brown shade I have up here, and you can see now I'm putting the black on. Ooh, she looking real red and brown. Alright, I am going, oh, y'all see that? Look at that. You see this section back here, and then you can see how black this is. Oh yeah, baby. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair off camera as far as applying the dye, and then I will come back and let y'all know how it went. Whew, baby. This stuff is very messy, but it gets the job done, you know. Look at my neck. I got some back there. But I did, the bottle looks a hot mess, y'all. Yeah, it looks like a hot mess. But yeah. So I think it's probably about right here. I probably used half the bottle. I did 2 coats per section. And you saw me just squeezing it up there and just working it through the best I could. I did 2 coats just in case I missed some of my locks. I had bought 2 boxes, but it looks like I only am going to need the 1, so I'll have some leftovers when I need to do touch-ups. It is very messy, like, so when you use this, make sure you lay down something to cover the area and wear something that you don't care about getting messed up. And yeah, and you let it sit for 10 to 25 minutes. I think I'm going to put on a plastic bag just to keep from bumping into anything, getting on my walls, keep me from touching my hair. I gotta keep these little gloves on. I need to get some more. I'll put a new pair on. I am going to use gloves to wash it out. But yes, so I'm gonna let it sit, and then I'm gonna wash it, rinse it out. It says not to use shampoo, and then I'll be back to let y'all see what it looks like. But you can see she's darker. I think I missed a spot right there. I can still see the little brown tint. So let me add some right there. That's the thing, is like missing areas, knowing if you got them off. Yeah, all of that right there. Here. Good over. So it'd probably be good to flip it on both sides, split the section in half, just so you can make sure you're getting the whole area. so you can see kind of how black it is. Well, I am back and I have washed out my hair, or the rinse from my hair. I haven't looked at it yet. I let the color sit in my hair. It probably was like, I should have showed y'all the time. I don't even know what time it was, but it's probably been like 30-40 minutes. My best friend came over here and we ate and we were talking. So it sat in my hair for a good little minute, and I had put a plastic bag on it to let it bake. And then I just rinsed it out. I didn't use super hot water. The instructions said not to use shampoo and just to rinse it out. I didn't use super hot water. I used kind of lukewarm water to rinse most of it out, and I just rinsed it until the water started to look clear, because it's essentially washing off all of the extra color that didn't take hold into your hair. And then I followed up with a cool rinse, which I do anyway on my normal wash days, just to seal the cuticles after I have washed my hair. Hair is dripping. I didn't really get it super dry because I used the same towel that I used earlier. So let's see what she looking like. Okay, black. Ooh, I'm feeling it. What y'all think? I'm feeling it. Let's get close. And my hands are not taking any of the color. I feel like for the most part it's even coverage. Ooh, I'm so happy. Yes. Since I added a new product, I want to add some moisture to my hair, just because I don't know how my hair is going to react to this color once it's dry. So I'm going to go in with the Do the Do leave-in conditioner. You know, I did a video on these products not too long ago, so check that out if you haven't seen it. I love the shampoo from this line. So I take, I guess it's not that much, and I'll just rub it through my hair. Ooh, I just love the black, y'all. I feel like black hair always looks super healthy to me. Yep, it's the black for me. My hair feels good. It feels the same actually. Doesn't feel any different. Granted, because this is just a rinse, it is not chemically processing my hair at all, so you can expect that there wouldn't be that many changes to my hair. I'm going to follow up with some good old vitamin E oil that I am almost out of. And that is the final look. So what y'all think? Is she cute? Can y'all tell the difference? Comment down below if you can tell the difference from how my hair looked before the rinse. I'll probably insert a little clip here, and then how it looks now. I can tell the difference. 'Cause, honey, I look vibrant. I look alive. Yep. The color again is the focus. There we go. The Ion Color Brilliance Intensive Shine. And these, I got 2 of these boxes. They were $6.99 at Sally's. So yeah, check them out before you go and try other brands, because like I said, my cosmetologist friend told me to get this instead, and I really like my results. We will see how it holds up to the 10 to 15 shampoos that it says on the box that this color will last. So y'all be paying attention and see if y'all see my color fading. Just let me know. But right now, I'm just as black as my shirt. Can y'all believe how much my hair has grown? 10 months. These are 10-month-old Microlocs now. So almost to the 1-year mark. We gotta have us a party. So y'all been rocking with me since the first video, and I appreciate y'all so much. So you've seen the growth, you've seen the changes, and this is how she looks now. But that is all I have for y'all today. If you like this video, go ahead and stick around and watch some more. And make sure you subscribe if you have not already. Also, drop a comment down below and hit that like button and show your girl some love. I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.